Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, cloth seat trim, compass, low tire pressure warning. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. Your new ride is just a phone call away.